Sweet avocado quick bread. This avocado quick bread is the perfect breakfast or snack. The loaf is sweet, but not too sweet, and the avocado makes this bread moist and gives it a natural green color. Ingredients: A. 2 cups all-purpose flour. You can use wheat or white all-purpose flour for this recipe. I haven't tried it with gluten-free flour, but let me know in the comments below if you give it a try. B. 1½ teaspoons baking powder, aluminum-free. Keeps your avocado bread from being too dense and gives it some fluff. Use aluminum-free to avoid a bitter taste. C. 1/4 teaspoon salt. A little bit of salt brings out the flavors in the bread and helps balance the sweetness. D. 2 ripe avocados. Ripe avocados are key for this recipe. You'll need 2 large or 3 small avocados for this recipe. You can use unripe avocados if that's all you have, but the bread won't be as moist. E. 1 cup granulated sugar. You can use white sugar, brown sugar, or coconut sugar in this recipe. I've even used honey with great results. F. 3 eggs room temperature. Helps bind everything together. G. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Gives the bread a delicious flavor and aroma. You can omit this if you don't have any on hand. Directions: mix the avocado bread batter. 1. In a large bowl, use a hand mixer on medium-high speed to cream the avocados and sugar until completely smooth. 2. At this point, it will look like guacamole. 3. Add the eggs and vanilla extract. 4. Whisk until they are fully incorporated into the batter. 5. Add the dry ingredients to the wet. 6. Using a wooden spoon or a rubber spatula, gently fold in the dry ingredients until no streaks remain. Bake the avocado bread. 1. Line a loaf pan with parchment paper. 2. Pour the batter into the prepared pan. Bake until a toothpick inserted in the center of the loaf comes out clean. Storage. This avocado bread will keep at room temperature for up to 4 days and up to 6 days in the fridge. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.